There's things almost at all times of the year that you can grow in a garden like
Which
this.
is pretty awesome.
Yep.
Joey is here to teach about square foot gardening. Joey, what is that type of vegetable gardening?
So basically it's gardening in a small area like this, which most homeowners only have a small backyard, and
Yeah.
this fits perfect in there.
Definitely.
This is a 4x4 garden box made of cedar. Cedar is almost like a naturally treated wood. It's
Oh, wow.
a longer lasting wood than most others.
So it does matter what kind of wood you use.
Definitely matters what kind of
Okay,
wood
so
you use.
look for cedar out there if you can find it. And what's the point of this sort of grid we've got laid out?
So this is to help you keep track of things. If you plant seeds in one section, you can keep track of that as
Okay.
quadrant
Oh
one.
my gosh, because I always forget what kind of seed I put in. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
you could accidentally plant your lettuce seeds on top of your carrot seeds, and
Yeah, and then you're all mixed up.
you know what happens then.
Also, I can see an advantage is different plants are different sizes.
That's right, yes. So things like peppers are going to be a smaller plant, so you could plant those in one of the smaller areas.
Okay.
Then again, tomatoes are going to take up, this whole 2x2 area here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you would want to plant those in the larger spot.
Yep. And yeah, so that makes a lot of help too for spacing. You want to know the end size of your plant, the mature size.
Yeah, they look nice and cute when they're this small, but they'll grow.
Is it good to always have plants in a garden like this? Just always keep it growing?
There's things almost at all times of the year that you can grow in a garden like
Which
this.
is pretty awesome.
Yep.
Lastly, what kind of soil are we looking for vegetables?
So you want to use a good, well-decomposed garden mix. A good garden mix consists of topsoil, compost, sharp sand, and you'll always want to add some sort of vegetable fertilizer like the Microlife.
Okay, awesome. Well, thanks, Joey.
All right, thank you.
And for more great information, go to homeshowgardenpros.com.